Hello guys, I'm John. Today we are gonna learn assembly. We are gonna make this item, and this five items, and assemble them, and we'll make a crane-like structure. That would look like this, and we have to fix that position around this position, and this portion is 60 degree, and here is the angle between here and here is 60 degree, and here is 30 degree. That's not given, but that now we have to make these parts. The dimension is given. This and these are excels, and the sleeve. We have to make them in part file, as part file, and we have to assemble them. We can see that this part is here, and this sleeve is there and there, and the axle that's between here and here, and the three-hole plane that's here. Now we are gonna make it. Now let's go to solidworks, new part file. Now we have to first make this, and the dimensions are given here: 100, 100, 35, 35, and let's make it. Let's choose top plane and sketch. We'll select center rectangle. Oh, be careful about the unit system. We have to select mmgs first. The given values are in millimeter, so we have to do it in millimeter. mmgs, millimeter, gram, second. So let's go to top plane, select center rectangle, and have to give 100. And this is 100. Now there's another rectangle inside it, but first we have to extrude it first, and we have to extrude it about 10 or 10 millimeter. So let's go. Let's select here, and oh, sorry, extrude base. That's 10 millimeter. Give it's okay. Let's sketch on that plane. Sketch on that plane. Now we have to make another rectangle inside it here, and that's given 35. And 35, and the height of the extrude is about 50. That's 50. So extrude, that's 50. There's a hole in it. That's about 45 from the ground, and that is 10, and the distance 17.5. Sketch. Now let's define it from here to here. Wait. 17.5. That's given 17.5, and the height is 45. That's okay. Now we have to extrude cut it. Extrude cut through and press OK. Now we can see that there's more 4 hole, and their dia are also 10, and they're about distance 15 millimeter from the edge. Normal sketch. Let's draw a circle, and given dia is 10 and it's 15. 15. Features. 10. That's 15. And there's 2 more. We're gonna mirror it. Mirror the feature. You can see that the right plane is in the just middle of it. So we are gonna mirror it. We are gonna mirror the feature around the plane. So select right plane, then first exit from the sketch, then mirror, and there's mirror face or plane. Then we have to select the right plane, and then features to mirror this and this. It's okay. And this part has been made. Now we have to make this and make this all. Have to save it. Part A. New part. That's 300. 10. That's 30. Plane sketch. Then there's center rectangle. Oh, there's images. Sketch. That's 300. 30. 30. Now select center circle and from here to here. It's okay. And another. I have to trim the extra portions. And let's define it again. 30. Okay. And 10. It's 10. That's 10. That's 10. To track the center line and draw here another circle. And here another circle. Total 5 circles are there. And to define all 10, 10. And that's fully defined. And check it, there are no extra portions here. Keep it in mind. And if we are going to do extrude boss base, we have to use this feature. No extra portion should be left, otherwise it will not work. Extrude 3mm thickness. Let's save it as B. I made 3 more. These are given, these are given, so I made it. We have to assemble them now. Let's start a part file. New part file assembly. Now we can see that recent we have made these items, and the recent items will be shown here. And if we click in that and move mouse like that, we'll see that it will float with the mouse cursor. So you can see. We can also browse for these items from where we save. You can select them from there also. Now we're gonna assemble them. First placing this here, then insert components, B, then again C, again D, and again E. We could insert them from browsing like this. Now uh, the parts are separated from each other. Now we are gonna assemble them just like this. After assembly, that will look like this. Let's start assembly. Now we will move the Excel from here to here. So now we have to mate it. Mate, select it, and select the portion where you want to mate. Now we can see that the portion is here. It's okay. It has been made. Oh, that's so small. Yeah, place the Excel, the hole. Then we have to place the plate. Select mate, select the portion, and select this Excel. And it's okay. We can see that that's fixed here. We can see that that's moving from that direction. That but we have to fix that. We'll do it later. But let's copy the part. Press Ctrl, then select it. From first exit from the mate and press Ctrl. Then we just made our copy. Then made it. Select this and now we have to make this and this. And this. That's okay. Now we have to place this plane and this plane will touch each other. So we have to make this plane and this plane. Now you can see that the planes, they are touched. They are moving, but they're touched. Now in this case, we'll do it. Now we are out of our Excel, so we'll make our copy. So split Ctrl and that's our copy. And we'll mate the Excel and wait. Select it, then mate and select this. Okay. Again, we have to mate this and this. Now we can see that that's moving. Now again we have to make this and make this. So again copy this plate and make this. First clear selections and make this and this. Select this and this. Now you can see that that's moving, but in the picture we can see that that's parallel. Now we have to make this parallel to each other. So I select parallel and let's complete to have the sleeves. Now we can see that that's moving, that's not fixed, that's not okay. We have to fix it. So uh, we have to mate this plane with this plane and select a value, the distance from here to here, to make it fixed. Mate, select this plane and this plane. They automatically think that first they should be coplanar, but we don't want that. We need a distance from here, so we can select a distance that will make properly symmetrical. That looks okay. It's okay. We can see that this is fixed. That's not moving. So in for the Excel we can do it too. We can see that there has been a mistake, that the plates has been overlapped, so we can delete their mates. In here we can see that the list of mates we have created. Now find for the mate in here. uh, this there's problem. I have to delete it. Yes. Now I can move it again. So mate it, hit, and then press OK. That's okay. And now we'll stop the moving of the pixel. So select this plane and this plane and make a distance. 1, 4, 4. Yeah, that's okay. No, that's not moving. We have to set the sleeves on it. Select the inside portion of the sleeve and select outer portion of Excel. Now be careful about selecting concentric. That must be concentric for that relation we're making. Press OK. Again, I have to make relation that and that. I have to fix this plane and this plane. There's two more sleeves. Copy items, so you have to exit from mate. Now press Ctrl and grab it. Now mate. Class selections. Select this place and mate. Okay. Select this space and this space, this space. Okay. Now the assembly is completed, but that's moving. We don't want a moving part, so I have to fix that. So we'll use mate to create a relation between it and this plane. Here, and this mate edge angle between it is 60 degree. Okay. And the angle between this edge and this edge is 30. Feature and 150. We can give whatever direction we want. And that's not moving. That's okay. And that's our drawing for today.